today. The rules are basically when you multiply two integers, if they have the same sign, your answer is going to be positive. If you have two integers and they have different signs, the answer is negative. So who can tell me what's a negative 4 times a negative 5? What is that going to equal? 20. Yep, and it's positive 20. You don't have to write positive, but it is a positive 20 because they have the same sign. What about 3 times a negative 7? Negative 21. Negative 21 because they have different signs. Sometimes students will say, well, the 7 has a higher absolute value, so I should take that sign. And then when they look at a problem like this one here, they say 4 has a higher absolute value. No, that's the rules like for adding and subtracting. This is multiplying, so it doesn't matter which one has a higher absolute value. It's just simply if they have the same sign, positive, different sign, negative. What about 5 times 6? 30. Good. And then the last one, negative 2 times a positive 4. No, negative 8, sorry. Good, that's great, negative 8. Up here, you need to multiply the numbers, and then you'll simply multiply the variables at the end. So really what I would do is combine the negative 7 times the positive 4, which is what? Good. And then what else do I need behind it? Yep. What does that mean when they're just side by side without anything in between? Yeah, you're being multiplied. So if we knew what A and B were, we'd plug it in and then solve it. All right, the last 3 down here in the bottom right-hand corner. What I would do is first solve the first 2, and then multiply the last one. So who can tell me what's a negative 3 times a negative 4? Yep. And then multiply that by a negative 5. Did you get that? Positive or negative 60 because they have different signs here. So 3 negatives equals what? A negative. So when multiplying, if you have 3 negatives, it's automatically going to be a negative then. Or just do 2 at a time and solve it. What about the first 2 here? A negative 2 times a negative 3. What would I get here? Negative 6. Good. So I have a negative 6. And what about a negative 6 times a negative 4? 24. Yep, and it's a positive 24. So 2 negatives and 1 positive will give us a positive. And then the last one here. What is 2 times 3 first? 6. So this is really a 6. And then 6 times a negative 4. Yep, negative 24. Good.